back, dear friends. Now you are watching CAD/CAM Engineering YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about AutoCAD exercise, especially for this one. Already we are discussed about 3 different type of coordinate system. So in this video, I am going to explain how to draw without coordinate system. It means how to create the drawing using direct input method. It means you no need to consider about x-axis, y-axis or angle, anything. You no need to consider about these things. So without any delay, let's start our AutoCAD software. So now I open AutoCAD software. So just I go to select the line command. Otherwise you go to type L and enter, no issue. Both are same function. Now I go to select any place in the graphics window. So now I go to select this place and just move the cursor which direction I need. So as per our drawing, so now I go to start from this place. So here to here, so this point to right side, I need to move 20 mm. Okay. So it means, so this is my starting point. So here to right side, I want to move. So directly you go to type the value 20 and give enter over. So automatically we get the line. See. Sometimes you feel the difficulties for moving the line. Sometimes it's line moving like this. With the angle. So how can avoid this angle means, it's very simple. Just you go to press F8 function key, F8 ortho on. It means the cursor moving only the 4 direction. That is called 0 angle, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. This 4 angle only the cursor is moving. It means we get the vertical and horizontal lines. That's it. So 20 is over. So next one is, again I want to move the upward, same 20 mm. So just I move the cursor in upward, it means 90 degree. Again I type 20 enter. So after that, the line is moving left side to my starting point or my previous point, 15 mm. So my previous point to left side is moving, the value is 15, 15. Just I type 15 and enter. And again it's want to move upward, it's 10 mm. So again upside 10 mm. Next again right side to left side, the value is 15. So now I press 15, enter. Now cursor is want to move in the downward direction. This value is 20. I give 20 enter. Now the previous point to right side cursor want to move. The value is 10. So I type 10 enter. Now we have the 2 options to complete this drawing. One, just I press enter, value of 10 mm. Otherwise I press C and enter. So now I going to do C and enter. C means close, it's automatically close where we go to start the starting point. So this is our drawing. So I hope you enjoy this video. So in this method is very easy for comparing with the coordinate systems. We will meet you next video very soon. Thank you.